नमस्कार, पुरंदर न्यूज चॅनलतर्फे आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
I request all the dignitaries, the guest of honors, the heads of the departments, please take the stage. Welcome everyone. Please be seated. I request our chief guest, Mr. Arun English sir and Mr. Karan Mitra sir to take the stage. Here. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome all our respected alumni, distinguished guests, faculty members and dear students to the Alumni Meet 2026. Today is not just a reunion, it is a celebration of memories, milestones, mentorships and meaningful journeys that began right here. As the alumni enter the venue, let us receive them with warmth, respect and pride. They are the torchbearers of our institution's legacy. We extend a heartfelt welcome to each one of you. Your presence makes this evening truly special.
To begin this auspicious gathering, I request all dignitaries to kindly come forward and offer the floral respect to Ma Saraswati and light the lamp. May I invite all our guests to the honor.
I may invite our honorable guest. Your presence has truly illuminated this occasion, both symbolically and spiritually. Moving ahead, it is my privilege to introduce our chief guest, Engineer Arun Ingre, a proud alumnus of the Civil Department, currently serving as the Deputy Engineer in the Hydraulic Engineering Department at the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. He has played a key role in GIS-based mapping of nearly 7,000 kilometers of underground utility networks in Mumbai and is a GATE-qualified professional selected for premier institutions and national-level engineering positions. So, your professional excellence and contribution to infrastructure development truly inspires us. I now request Honorable Dean Dr. Deshmukh sir to kindly felicitate our chief guest, Engineer Arun Ingre sir. sir, the felicitation is a small token of our deep respect and appreciation.
It is now my pleasure to introduce our guest honor, Mr. Karan Mitra sir, an alumni of computer engineering, currently working as a member of technical staff 4 at Nutanix, a master graduate from California State University and outstanding academics. He leads development initiated in advanced API system and agentic AI driven applications. I request Dr. Suhas Koth to kindly felicitate Mr. Karan Mitra.
Thank you, sir. Your journey is a true inspiration for aspiring engineers. It is my honor to introduce our next guest of honor, Mr. Vishal Chaudhary, a mechanical engineer alumnus currently working at Test Lead at PepsiCo with expertise in software testing and automation across enterprise applications in 35 plus countries. He is also actively involved in mentoring students and contributing to social initiatives. Sir, your professional growth and commitment to guiding young talent are commendable. I request our Honorable Principal, Dr. Suhas Koth sir, to kindly felicitate Mr. Vishal Chaudhary. Thank you so much everyone for gracing this occasion. We are honored by your presence and guidance. Now, an institution is known by the heights of its alumni achieve. Today, we take pride in felicitating our distinguished alumni who have excelled in their respective fields. I may now request Honorable Dr. Hemant Deshmukh sir, Dean Student Welfare, to kindly felicitate our brilliant alumni, Madaki Amani, Assistant Manager in PwC. Please sir, be on the stage for the felicitation. Sorry, ma'am. I request our alumni Puneet Patel, Principal Product Engineer, Ranstan Enterprise, to be present on stage. Dr. Suhas Koth sir may felicitate him. I request Ashish Modak sir, Trinity Polytechnic Pune, to be present on the stage. I request Mr. Prabhakar Khese sir to be present on the stage. I request Mr. Vineet Udas sir to be present on the stage. Mr. Prathamesh Salve sir to be present on the stage. Mr. Akshay Kamte sir to be present on the stage. Mr. Sagar Pawar sir to be present on the stage. I repeat, Mr. Prabhakar Khese sir from Mechanical Department, please be present on the stage for the felicitation. Mr. Vineet Udas sir from Mechanical Department, please be present on the stage. Mr. Prathamesh Salve sir from Mechanical Department. I may request Akshay Kamte sir from the Civil Department to be present on the stage for the felicitation. I request Sagar Pawar sir from the Civil Department to be present on the stage for the felicitation. I request Ranjan Holkar sir from the Civil Department to be present on the stage for the felicitation. I now request Ms. Rituja Yadav from Electrical Department to be present on the stage for felicitation. I now request Ms. Sneha Raut from the Electrical Department to be present on the stage for felicitation. I request Mr. Gaurav Sonawne from Electrical Department to be present on the stage. I request Mr. Pranesh Doka from ENTC Department to be present on the stage for the felicitation. I request Ms. Sonali Karare from the ENTC Department to be present on the stage for felicitation. I now request Mr. Loyal Pinto sir from the ENTC Department to receive his felicitation. I request all the alumni who are standing behind, please be seated. Everyone who is standing behind, please be seated. Dear alumni, your achievements make the entire institution proud. You are a living example of what dedication and persistence can accomplish. Thank you for sharing the stage.
I now invite Dr. Aparna Hambarde, our alumni coordinator, to share a brief about the vision and purpose of this alumni meet.
Good evening all. Respected Dr. Hemant Deshmukh sir, Dean Student Welfare, Dr. Suhas Khut, Principal KJ Simar, today's guest of honor, Mr. Karan Mitra and Mr. Vishal Chaudhary, and Chief Guest, Mr. Arun Ingre, esteemed faculty members, distinguished guests, and my dear alumni. I, Dr. Aparna Hambarde, Alumni Coordinator, welcome you all for Alumni Meet 2026. As the alumni coordinator, it is both an honor and emotional moment to welcome you all back to Alma Mater, the institution that inspired, shaped you, not just your career but your character. Today is just not a reunion, it's a homecoming. So there is a little lines, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे जब साथ बैठकर सपने सजाते थे, आज उन्हीं सपनों को हकीकत बनकर फिर यहाँ लौट आए हैं. Welcome you all once again. So this institution has never been a building. It has been a foundation of knowledge, friendship, discipline, ambitions, Within these walls, you discover your strength, face your challenges, and shape your identity. So, this alumni meet is about reconnecting, rebuilding the bond, strengthening the network. This telling our current student that yes, you can. Your presence here inspire them more than any textbook ever could. So dear alumni, your success stories are proud chapter of the alma mater, and every milestone you achieve adds glory to your institute. Wherever you go, you carry your values, discipline and spirit with you, and that in return your achievements strengthen its legacy. सो रिश्ता वो नहीं जो दुनिया को दिखाया जाए, रिश्ता वो है जो दिल से निभाया जाए. एंड इट्स ट्रू, योर बॉन्डिंग विद दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन इज जस्ट नॉट अ फॉर्मल, इट्स ए इमोशनल एंड लाइफ लॉन्ग. So, as a part of KJCMR Alumni Association, it is a registered association, and we have formed a body, one alumni and one faculty member from each department as a part of this alumni association, and our different alumni coordinators at different department levels, they are working to connect you all every time. So we have total 4,497 alumni registered under the Alumni Association. Every year we organize the alumni meet for all the branches, and it gives me immense pleasure to announce here that we appreciate our alumni as a distinguished alumni who work for alma mater. Also, we organize various activities for our students which are conducted by our esteemed alumni, like guest lecture, workshop, then industrial visit, internship, placement activity, etc. So I would like to thank all those alumni who has contributed for these alma mater. I encourage each one of you to stay connected, mentor our students, share your experiences and contribute your ideas. Together we can build a stronger bridge between the past and future. So today I make a heartfelt appeal to all that stay connected to your alma mater. So thank you all for joining us for today's evening. Let's today be filled with laughter, cherished memories and renew friendship. May this evening remind you not just matter how far we go, our roots always remains here. So there is always said that like an institution truly grow when the alumni walk besides it. So we need your support, your contribution. Thank you all for joining today's evening. Thank you all for coming home.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our respected principal sir, Dr. Suhas Khoth, to address the gathering.
A very good evening to one and all. Respected Dean, Student Welfare and Development, Dr. Hemant Deshmukh sir, in absence of our Honorable President, who has made this particular platform or this dais on which we are working for last more than 17 to 18 years, Honorable Sri Kalyan Jadhav sir, all my head of the departments, staff members, student volunteers, and my dear and dearest alumni students. From last 3 years, with the request of all alumni students, we are planning alumni meet somewhere or on some Saturday of February every year. This is the third year. I remember 2024, 2025, and this is 2026. Probably we always meet in first week of February. Earlier it was decided to meet on 7th of Feb. Due to some reason it was cancelled. 14th was Valentine's Day. 21st was gravity function which was organized. So it was finalized that 28th we will meet. And we are meeting today. As rightly pointed out and said by Dr. Hambade ma'am, who is our alumni coordinator as well, that wherever we go, how high we go, our roots always has the same branch or it has the same connect, and that common connect is called as KJ College of Engineering and Management Research. Many of our alumni are now on the globe. Majority of our alumni are working for many multinationals. Some of them are very good entrepreneurs and some of them are working in government organizations by giving some government examinations at a very good and respected position in government of Maharashtra as well as government of India. That can be reflected if you see towards the stage. Today's chief guest, Mr. Arun Ingle, who happens to be the chief guest of our alumni meet. He is our student of Civil Engineering branch 2012-13 and currently he is working as a deputy engineer in BMC Mumbai. His wife is also our alumni from the same batch and she is working in PWD. By some or the other reason she is not able to make it today. But he is our proud alumni of Civil Engineering. So let's have a round of applause to him for his success. Our second respected alumni who is our guest of honor is Mr. Karan Mitra, who is our 2014 computer batch. Currently, he is working in Pune at Nutanix. I will not ask his package. It might be more than 50 lakhs, definitely. But he was in California. He has completed in masters as well, and right now sitting here with our stage, the smart guy, Mr. Karan Mitra. So welcome him with a round of applause. And our third guest of honor is Mr. Vishal Chaudhary. He is from our Mechanical Engineering Department 2019 pass out and he is currently working as a test lead in PepsiCo. He is from Mechanical Engineering Department. So round of applause for him also. Like we have many such alumni from 2012-13 to 2025. Many alumni of all the departments, those who are doing very good, very excellent in their fields. Whenever we need help of any alumni, I have seen up till now, because I am working now as a principal of KJCOMR for last 10 years. Majority of the alumni are known by me, and I'm proud to tell that whenever we feel any type of need, suppose it's related to the technology, suppose it is related to some seminar, to some workshop, or hiring of students, or placement, training, internship, whatever it is, a problem or projects, mini projects, each and every alumni has come forward and 100% they have extended their hands towards KJCOMR to help all their juniors as well as the institution. So I want to have a round of applause to all those alumni from 12-13 to 24-25, those who have always have a keen interest to help the institution. One more thing I want to tell here, majority of our alumni frequently visit the institution as and when they find time, and definitely they try to interact with the students as well as staff members, and they try to help them. Many alumni, they had a conversation on phone also. When we talk, 100% I feel proud to talking or to have a talk or to have an address with our alumni. And whenever we need any such, what we can say, help from alumni, always they come forward and they shake hand with us so that our needs are fulfilled, our needs are completed. One more thing I want to mention here, whenever we go for any industrial tour or whenever we visit any industry, I am sure that one or the other employee of that company belongs to KJCOMR. Last week I visited one industry which was related to robotics, PHN technologies, and when we went there and when we saw there, we were seeing the labs of robotics which were very well developed. So the general manager, he said that I will call our vice president research who has developed this lab, And when he came forward, immediately he recognized, sir, I am from your college. So I felt so proud that our alumni is now in research and is working as vice president of a company, a robotic company, a limited company. So 100% we feel always proud to have our alumni at the campus, off campus as well. And I always tell all alumni we may not reach because the number told by Hamberde madam is 4497. So up till now from 2012-13 to 24-25, almost 5,000 alumni students are spread all over Maharashtra, India and over the globe. And when we try to make it out, when we try to connect, immediately we get response from all of them. So I wish that today's day is an alumni student day. So get connected with each other. Get your friends, your seniors, your juniors of various batches, of various branches. Cherish all the happiness together. Be nostalgic here. Have a wonderful dinner which has been organized for you and enjoy your day. Stay connected. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your visionary words and continuous leadership. Your guidance shapes the academic and professional growth of every student here. I now invite our Honorable Dean, Dr. Hemant Deshmukh, Dean Student Welfare, to share his thoughts.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody present over here. Thank you very much for blessing this campus by your esteemed presence. Dr. Suhas Khoth, principal of this reputed institute KJ-COEMR, the invited alumni, our honor, all the three alumni, the chief guest, Mr. Ingre, the guest of honor, Mr. Mitra and Mr. Chaudhary, all our distinguished heads of the department, learned faculty members, the supporting staff, the invited alumni present for this function, and all dear student volunteers. On the behalf of KJEI institutions and management, our founder president, Honorable Shri Kalyan Jadhav sir, I welcome to this beautiful place, a temple of learning, your alma mater, your own second house, on this day, 28th. Maybe we are not having it on 14th because most of the time people are occupied. But please consider this as your Valentine, your own institute where you graduated. You found yourself here somewhere in the classrooms, in the laboratories, in the canteen. You had wonderful friendship. The friendship would last for your life. I welcome you all to this wonderful evening. 2-3 aspects I would like to touch because nobody is in a mood to listen to. Those were the days when you were sitting in the classes and the 75% attendance was mandatory. Today, you want to meet your friends, have a chit chat, leg pulling, whatnot. You can have a wonderful evening. So I don't want to come in between. There are 2-3 aspects I would like to highlight. संगीत में घराना होता है, घराना, और जब अपना नाम वो बना लेता है संगीतज्ञ, तब उसे घराने से जाना जाता है. वैसे ही मैं आपको सबको याद दिलाना चाहता हूं कि जिस संस्था ने आपको उस काबिल बनाया अक्सर लोग ऐसा कहते थे, मेरे कुछ विद्यार्थी भी मुझसे आके मिलते थे जो मैं पुराने इंस्टीट्यूट में था, वहां बच्चे आके बोलते थे कि सर थियरी बहुत होता है, प्रैक्टिकल कुछ नहीं पढ़ाया जाता है, शायद करिकुलम में वो ऐड किया जाए तो अच्छा होगा। मैं उनको कहता था कि 12th के बाद में यदि आप इंडस्ट्री में जाते तो कहां होते? 4 साल जब आप इंजीनियरिंग में गुजारते हैं, इच्छा हो या ना नहीं, आप क्लास में बैठते हैं, बच्चों के साथ में इंटरेक्ट करते हो, इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन डेवलप करते हो, न जाने क्या क्या चीजें सीखते हो किताबों से और किताब के बाहर, क्योंकि हर इंसान एक सब्जेक्ट के माफिक होता है और उससे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। सो दीज 4 years ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन, मे भी कुछ लोगों ने उसको पंचवार्षिक बना दिया होगा, बहुत मोहब्बत होगी उनको इस कैंपस से, कैंपस भी वैसा ही है, पर फिर भी मैं इतना जरूर कहना चाहता हूं कि ये घराना जितना महत्वपूर्ण होता है वैसा ही आपका अल्मा मैटर आपसे कभी छूट नहीं सकता है। और जब जब आप लोग तरक्की करेंगे, अक्सर आपको खुद की पहचान बनाने के लिए जो भी प्रयास इस 4 साल में किए गए हैं वो जरूर याद आएंगे। तो मैं आपको इतनी ही विनती करता हूं कि ये रिश्ता बनाए रखिए प्लीज। हम आपसे कुछ नहीं मांगते, हम केवल आपसे समय मांगते हैं। हमारे बच्चों को क्या जरूरत है, आज बहुत कठिन समय है और जो बच्चे भी इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं उनके लिए आपका समय चाहिए, आपका एक्सपर्टाइज चाहिए, आपका मेंटोरिंग चाहिए, ये सब प्लीज कीजिएगा, बस इतना ही मैं मांगता हूं। नंबर 2, हम लोग अक्सर कहते हैं कि यदि किसी इंजीनियर की एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी की बात करते हैं, वी टॉक अबाउट एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी, then at least 4 things are very important. The very first thing we talk about is the attitude of that person, that student, that candidate, that future professional. That attitude is very, very important. At the same time, aspirations are very important. Nowadays, we complain many a times that students are not aspirational. When they will look at you, the progress you have made, the position you have achieved, you will be a guiding light for them. Just like teachers are the torch bearers, you will be guiding light as far as their professional journey is concerned. So in that respect, I want that please tell your stories, tell your failures, tell your success stories to these budding engineers who are the present currently students of this campus, so that they will become aspirational. Number 2 is education, that we are already imparting, but we seek your help in this regard. We teachers are their primary educators, but many a times we are not aware as to what is the state of the art in different domains of the engineering industry. Then you can help us in this respect. So the education part. The third one is technical competence. Nowadays students are not getting selected only because they lack aspiration, they lack attitude, they lack little bit of concepts and fundamentals, principles of engineering which are required for getting selected in the campus, off campus. So in this regard, I request you that please help them becoming technically competent. And the last and foremost, rather one of the most important aspect which is missed out in the campus, especially in this city, Pune, especially in this campus, the students who are coming from the rural background, they are scared of stage, they are scared of speaking in English, they lack little bit communication and all. So in this regard, please help students to be smart in soft skills. So I would request you all to come forward and help the current students, the present students, your own brothers and sisters to do well in the professional journey. I welcome you once again to this wonderful evening. Have a nice time, and would like to listen to the success stories in the days to come. Thank you, bless you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words truly reflect the spirit of mentorship and student empowerment. I now invite Mr. Karan Mitra, sir, to address the gathering.
Good evening to everybody. I didn't know it was going to be my turn first. I was sitting there preparing what to say. But I want to start with my first thought, which is gratitude. I want to thank my teachers and all the dignitaries here for inviting us here with such honor and love, especially Hambade ma'am, who has called me repeatedly. I'm sorry for that. But it is truly humbling to be received with such love from a place that we left over 10 years ago. And it is always great to be back here. Which brings me to my second point, which is deep nostalgia. It was 16 years ago that we rode in over here to see this amazing campus. It wasn't like what you see today. It was 3 buildings. It was the month of August. It was raining and there was fog all over. And my first thought was I'm in some hill station, not a college, because I couldn't even see the board. There was so much fog and I'm like, this is great. And I was just talking to my friend Rohan. On our first or second day, we went into the chemistry lab and there was a waterfall inside the lab because it was raining and we had to close the doors. And I guess what I'm trying to say, it was a truly amazing experience. In the first year, I remember thinking that it's going to take 4 long years to get through this. And our farewell happened right here on this ground, which I think took 10 minutes to get there from. And in the 4th year, I was like, where did these 4 years go? And I'm back here thinking, where did the remaining 10 years go as well? But that also fills me with immense pride to see the growth of this institution, to see that we are all still connected and still received with such love. I guess if I want to tell people about my journey, I truly realize that every time I meet my friends here, we all have differing priorities every time we meet. I remember sitting somewhere over there where our highest priority was, marks. We used to ask each other all the time, how much did you get? How much do you think you're going to get? And there was nothing more important at that point than doing well. Later on when we met, it was all about where did you get a job, right? The 3rd time we met, it was like, how much are you earning? But this time when we met, I think the only question we asked each other is, are you happy? Are you happy where you are? And I think that's the final goal. So if there's one thing to look forward to, and I go back to Doctor's words here, with aspiration, it should be to be somewhere where you end up happy. Not about what you do, not about how much you earn. I'm not saying it's not important, but at the end of the day, that's the primary question you're going to ask yourself, is are you happy? So aim towards that. Please let us know if we can help you get there, because we're always here. Not because we know any better, it's just because we've gone through this journey. And if we can make this journey any easier for you, we'd be very happy to. Once again, thank you to all the guests and dignitaries who had us come here and treat us with such love and respect. We'd love to come back here again, and I hope you all have a great evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Karan sir, for sharing your wonderful experiences and sweet words. I now invite or request Mr. Vishal Chaudhary sir to kindly share his thoughts.
So, first of all, good evening to everyone. Mr. Koch sir, Hemant Deshmukh sir, then deans, all respected faculty members, alumni, and my dear students. So, honestly, standing here, it feels like very special today. बिकॉज काही वर्षांपूर्वी ज्यावेळेस मी कॉलेजमध्ये एंट्री केली त्यावेळेस तुमच्यासारखाच मी तुमच्यामध्ये एक बसलेलो होतो स्टुडंट म्हणून ॲज अ स्टुडंट. त्यावेळेस डोक्यामध्ये एकच टेन्शन, असाइनमेंट्स पेंडिंग, त्याच्यामध्ये प्रोजेक्ट करायचा आहे, लास्ट नाईट सबमिशन्स आहेत, एक्झाम्स आहेत, ओरल्स आहेत, प्लेसमेंटचं टेन्शन, त्याच्यामध्ये घरच्यांचं अजून टेन्शन. ट्रूली स्पीकिंग, नाव टुडे standing here as a guest of honor is such a privilege for me, and it feels like really dreams really comes full circle. नाउ यहाँ पर बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट ऐसे जो करियर्स को लेके कंफ्यूज्ड है, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मैं भी कभी आप लोगों में से एक था. लाइक सेम कंफ्यूजन, सेम डाउट्स, सेम क्वेश्चंस अबाउट द फ्यूचर. नाउ let me start from my journey. So basically I'm a mechanical engineering pass out student of 2019 batch, and during my final year I got selected in Amazon, but I rejected that offer. I'm not saying it's unfortunate, I'm also not saying it's fortunate. Reason is that सब लोग खुश थे कि घर वाले खुश थे, फ्रेंड्स खुश थे, टीचर्स भी खुश थे, बट मैं खुश नहीं था. रीज़न इज़ दैट मैंने आई डिक्लाइन दी ऑफर. रीज़न पता है क्या? मन में सोच लिया भाई तो मैकेनिकल का स्टूडेंट है, आईटी में जाके करेगा क्या. देन मैकेनिकल का ही वो थोड़ा तो बोल रहा था, तो उस टाइम पे आई डिक्लाइन दी ऑफर. कॉलेज हो गया 2019, आई गॉट पास्ड आउट. देन अगेन टेंशन, जॉब कहाँ पे करें, ऑफर तो चल के आया था, अब क्या करेगा. देन आई ज्वाइंड वन कोर कंपनी. इट वॉज ऑन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस. आई वर्क देयर फॉर ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 1 year. देन आई स्विच इन टू दी अमेजोन अगेन. देखो क्या हो गया कि स्टार्टिंग में मैंने एक ऑफर डिक्लाइन कर दिया अमेजोन का, एंड देन पता नहीं था कि अमेजोन में ही जाना है, बट या दैट वॉज फॉर्च्युनेट ॲक्च्युली. सो जर त्यावेळेस ॲमेझॉन ॲक्सेप्ट केली असती तर आज गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर ॲक्च्युली नसतो मी आज, फ्रँकली स्पीकिंग. त्याच्यानंतर ज्यावेळेस कोअरमध्ये होतो, पेमेंट इट वॉज लाईक 8,000 पर मंथ. पेट्रोलचा खर्चसुद्धा त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त होता. केलं वर्षभर, रडत होतो, ठीक आहे ॲमेझॉन सोडलंस. त्यावेळेस हाताने अपॉर्च्युनिटी चालून आलेली होती, तू सोडून दिलीस, रिग्रेट होता, बट दॅट्स फाईन. काहीच नव्हतं त्यावेळेस. लाईक स्वतःला एक प्रश्न विचारला की लाईक मार्केटमध्ये ग्रोईंग फील्ड कोणती आहे. ऑब्वियसली एव्हरीवन नोज की आय टी, पण आय टी करायचं आहे तर करायचं तरी काय. त्यावेळेस लाईक डेव्हलपमेंट होतं, ॲनालिटिक्स, आय टी, ए आय त्यावेळेस काही इतकं ट्रेंडिंगमध्ये नव्हतं. टेस्टिंग आहेत, बट त्यावेळेस समजत नव्हतं की ॲक्च्युली करू तर करू काय. त्यावेळेस लाईक फ्रेंड्ससोबत बोललं, फॅमिलीसोबत बोललं, काही टीचरसोबत बोललं, माझे ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स होते, स्कूल फ्रेंड्स, त्यांच्याशी बोललं. अँड दे सजेस्ट की लाईक यू कॅन चूज टेस्टिंग. आय चूज लाईक टेस्टिंग, बट परत एक युगो आडवाला, तो तर मेकॅनिकलचा आहेस, कोडिंग येत नाही. देन आय जॉईन वन क्लास, आय एम नॉट टेकिंग दॅट नेम, बट या आय जॉईन दी क्लासेस. फ्रँकली स्पीकिंग Amazon कंपनी इट्स लाईक बिग MNC, बट टेन्शन वॉज लाईक खूप सारा प्रेशर होता. प्रेशर हँडल करणं, आय वॉज लाईक नाही होगा भाई तेरे से. आय क्विट दी जॉब इन आय गेस अराउंड लाईक December 2021, and then I did classes. Then क्लासेस केले, थोडाफार जावा शिकलो. इट्स नॉट लाईक थोडाफार जावा, खूप सारं जावा शिकलो. त्याच्यानंतर फेब्रुवारी 2020मध्ये मी एक लाईफमध्ये एक बिगेस्ट रिस्क घेतली. आय क्विट माय जॉब इन ॲमेझॉन. ऑफर नव्हती, बॅकअप काहीच नव्हता, सोबत होता तो फक्त माझ्यावरती स्वतःचा असलेला विश्वास. यू कॅन डू दॅट. त्याच्यानंतर कंप्लीट 1 month दररोज लाईक इट्स लाईक 12 hours पर डे मी स्टडी केला. जावाचा जेसुद्धा माहीत नव्हता. आय रिपीट, जावाचा जेसुद्धा माहीत नव्हता. डिग्री झाली, एकही प्रोग्राम येत नव्हता, फक्त हॅलो वर्ल्डचा एक प्रोग्राम येत होता, तो पण फर्स्ट इयरला FPL होतं म्हणून. ते पण विसरलेलं होतं फायनल इयरमध्ये जाईपर्यंत. तो पण पाठ केलेला होता रट्टा मारून. खूप छान, करायचं आहेच मला, मार्क्स हवेत ना, करायचंच आहे. देन in February 2022, I started giving interviews. I attended more than 30 interviews in 1 month, and I secured around 9 offers from the big MNCs like TCS, then PepsiCo, Publicis, Sapient, and the Mastercard. And then I joined the PepsiCo in April 2022, and it was the turning point of my life. So, job apart, like joke apart, की mechanical to IT, इज इट पॉसिबल? येस. तुमच्यासमोर एक एक्झाम्पल आहे की येस यू कॅन डू दॅट. कोणतीही फील्ड, आय एम नॉट सेईंग मेकॅनिकल घेतली आहे इट्स युअर लाईक रॉंग डिसिजन ऑर करेक्ट डिसिजन. तो तुमचा एक पर्सनल डिसिजन होता. तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, यू नो युअर फ्युचर. त्याच्यानंतर 8,000पासून स्टार्ट केलेलं होतं, आणि त्याच्यानंतर मी प्राऊडली सांगू शकतो की 30 LPA पर ॲनम. इट वॉज माय बिगेस्ट achievement within the 4 years. खूप फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होतो. कोअर जॉईन केलं, ॲमेझॉन जॉईन केलं, पेप्सिको जॉईन केला, बट याच्यामध्ये प्रेशराईज होतो, सगळ्या गोष्टी होत्या, डिप्रेशनमध्ये होतो. पण त्यावेळेस कमी पडलो नाही, कारण त्यावेळेस फक्त माझ्यासोबत होता एक माझा स्वतःवरती असलेला एक विश्वास. सो सगळ्या स्टुडंटला मी हेच सांगेन की तुम्हाला फेल्युअर्स येणार आहेत, कन्फ्युजन होणार आहे, सोसायटी बोलणार यू कांट डू दॅट. अरे आय कॅन. ट्राय तर करा. ट्राय ज्यावेळेस करता स्वतःवरती भरोसा ठेवताल. कीप लर्निंग. खूप साऱ्या टेक्नॉलॉजीज येत आहेत. AI खूप ट्रेंडिंगमध्ये आहे सध्या. आणि माझं डिस्कशन झालं पाटील मॅडम, दुलबाटे सरांशी, डोल सरांशी पण बोललं की वेन एव्हर यू फील्स लाईक की येस विशाल वी नीड यू हिअर, मी त्यावेळेस यायला कधी पण रेडी आहे. स्टुडंटला मी गायडन्स करेल, कधी पण बोलवा. तुमच्या एका कॉलची मी फक्त वेट करतो. आणि त्याच्यानंतर लाईक ज्या कॉलेजने मला घडवलं हे प्लेस मी कधी विसरणार नाही. कार पार्क केली पार्किंगमध्ये, तिथून कॉलेजमध्ये येसपर्यंत फक्त आणि फक्त लाईक आठवणीच होत्या. 2 वेळा डोळ्यातून पाणी आलं की कॉलेज काढले. 2019 नंतर मी फर्स्ट टाईम कॉलेजमध्ये एंट्री केली कॅम्पसमध्ये. लिटरली खूप वाटत होतं यावं. आज फ्लाईट होती, ऑफिसची मीटिंग होती उद्या, बट मी सांगितलं आजोबा सिरियस आहे. ऑप्शन नव्हतं दुसऱ्या काही. आय कॅन्ट इग्नोर दॅट मीटिंग ॲक्च्युली. CEO येणार होते. मीटिंग वॉज इन गुडगाव ॲक्च्युली. मी फ्लाईट कॅन्सल करायला लावली आहे, बट हा ऑप्शन नव्हता. मॅडमचा कॉल आलेला होता, सरांचा कॉल आलेला होता, मी ते पण इग्नोर करू शकत नव्हतो. ठीक आहे बोललं. आज सकाळपर्यंत अराउंड लाईक 10 AM मी त्यांना कन्फ्युजनमध्ये ठेवलं की मी येतो आहे. 11 वाजता कॉल केला, आजोबा सिरियस झालेत माझे, आय कांट मेक इट. सो ते बोलले ठीक आहे उद्या ये, मंडेला आहे. मी बोललो उद्याच येतो, आज पॉसिबल नाही. ठीक आहे. परत एकदा सगळ्या स्टुडंटला लाईक जेव्हा पण तुम्हाला गरज पडेल मी तुमच्यासाठी रेडी आहे. आणि मेकॅनिकलमधून IT मध्ये स्विच केले, ट्रान्झिशन झाले. त्याचं एक बेनिफिटसुद्धा आहे माझ्यासाठी, पॅकेज आहे रे. आणि लिटरली मी एका क्लासेसमध्ये शिकवतो. मॉर्निंगला 100 स्टुडंटची एक बॅच घेतो आणि इव्हिनिंगला 100 स्टुडंटची बॅच घेतो. आणि कम्प्लिटली मी जावा, ऑटोमेशन, मॅन्युअल, API प्रोजेक्ट शिकवतो. सो इट्स नॉट लाईक की मेकॅनिकलचं आणि कम्प्युटरचं काहीच करू शकत नाही. आय कॅन डू दॅट, यू कॅन डू दॅट. सो ट्रस्ट युअर सेल्फ, फेथ युअर सेल्फ. स्वतःवरती भरोसा ठेवा, बाकी काहीच नाही. थँक्यू सो मच सगळ्यांना. परत एकदा थँक्यू, तुम्ही मला इन्व्हाइट केलं. आय होप जसं मी गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर होतो, तुमच्यातलंच एक जण नेक्स्ट इयर गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर असेल इकडे. आणि त्याच्यासाठी तुम्हाला थोडीशी मेहनत करावी लागेल. सगळेजण त्यासाठी रेडी आहेत. इफ यू गाईज वॉन्ट one-to-one conversation, one-to-one guidance, you guys can connect to me over the LinkedIn. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful and precious words. At this moment, I request our chief guest, Mr. Arun Ingle sir, to address the gathering.
Good evening, respected Principal Dr. Subhat Kaur sir, our Dean Dr. Hemant Deshmukh sir, all HODs, my dear friends and my young friends. First of all, I would like to thank KJ College of Engineering for inviting me here today as a chief guest. It is truly a proud and emotional moment for me to stand on this stage again, not as a student sitting in the last bench, but as an alumni of the 2013 batch of civil engineering. My name is Arun Ingle and I am completed my civil engineering from this college in 2013. Today I am working in Mumbai Municipal Corporation as a deputy engineer. आज मी जे काय आहे ते फक्त KJ कॉलेजमुळे आहे. KJ कॉलेजमुळे मला एक बूस्ट भेटलेला आहे. मी खूप सिरियसली लेक्चर्स अटेंड केलेले आहेत पूर्ण 4 वर्ष, पण मी घरी जाऊन कधी अभ्यास केला नाही. फक्त कॉलेजच्या लेक्चर्समुळं मी कुठल्याही कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह एक्झाम्स पास करू शकलो. मी गेट क्वालिफाय झालो, पण मी काहीच अभ्यास केला नव्हता. मला IIT गुवाहाटीला ॲडमिशन भेटलं होतं MTechसाठी, NIT सुरतला भेटलं होतं, दिल्ली मेट्रो रेल्वे कॉर्पोरेशनमध्ये ॲज अ असिस्टंट मॅनेजर म्हणून सिलेक्ट झालं होतं, पण मी तिथे जॉईन नाही केलं काय कारणास्तव. मला इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये काम करायचं होतं रेसिडेन्शियलमध्ये, म्हणून मी लगेच पासआउट झाल्या मार्वल रिअल्टर्समध्ये जॉईन केलं ॲज अन असिस्टंट इंजिनियर. त्याच्यानंतर मला एक चांगली ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आली एक इंडिव्हिज्युअल प्रोजेक्ट हँडल करण्याची FI रिअल्टर्सकडनं ती मी जॉईन केली. त्यानंतर काही कारणास्तव सहज आपले फॉर्म भरायचा म्हणून मी BMCचा फॉर्म भरला. रात्री आदल्या दिवशी एक्झामच्या आदल्या दिवशी पण मी रात्री 10 वाजेपर्यंत साईटवर होतो. दुसऱ्या दिवशी पेपर होता. पेपर मी दिलं. 40,000 मुलांमध्ये मी पहिल्या 50मध्ये आलो. हे सगळं मी अचीव केलं ना ते फक्त KJ कॉलेजच्या सगळ्या टीममुळं. कारण मी ते माझ्या पूर्ण 4 वर्षामध्ये मी जे काय शिकलो तेच मी फक्त तिथं जाऊन मी फक्त हे केलं. कारण आमची टेक्निकल ब्रांच आहे. सिव्हिलला खूप स्कोप आहे. सध्या इंडिया डेव्हलपिंग आहे. एवढे मोठे मोठे प्रोजेक्ट चालू आहेत. इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट चालू आहे. येणाऱ्या काळात खूप मोठी चांगल्या सिव्हिल इंजिनियर्सची गरज आहे. त्यासाठी सगळ्यांनी फक्त एवढंच करायचं आहे की तुम्ही तुमचे कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर ठेवा. तुम्हाला मार्क्स ऑटोमॅटिकली भेटतील. मार्क्ससाठी कधी मागे पडू नका. मार्क्ससाठी जर फक्त तुम्ही अभ्यास मार्क्ससाठी करत असाल तर तुम्ही पुढे जाऊ नाही शकणार. तुम्हाला जर काय अचीव करायचं असेल तर तुमचे कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर केले पाहिजे. मला असं वाटतं की येणाऱ्या काळात एखादा चीफ इंजिनियर आपल्या या स्टेजवरती असेल चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून. इव्हन आपल्या KJ कॉलेजमध्ये एक सिव्हिल म्हणजे KJ सर पण आपले सिव्हिलच्या बॅकग्राऊंडमधलेच आहेत. त्यांचा एवढा मोठा एक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरची कंपनी आहे. आपलं डिपार्टमेंट एवढं चांगलं आहे. माझ्या वेळेस पण पुजारी सर होते. आजही ते HOD म्हणून आहेत. त्यांचं एवढं मार्गदर्शन चांगलं तुम्हाला असणार आहे. येणाऱ्या काळात तुम्हाला खूप मोठी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आहे. गव्हर्नमेंट सेक्टरमध्ये सगळ्यात जास्त स्कोप सिव्हिल इंजिनियरला आहे. आताच नुकतं 70,000 नोकर भरती महाराष्ट्र शासनाने सांगितले. त्याच्यामध्ये जवळपास मला तरी असं वाटते 15,000 ते 20,000 सिव्हिल इंजिनियर्स रिक्रूट होतील. त्यामुळं तुम्हाला फक्त एकच करायचं आहे. तुमचे कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर ठेवायचे आहे. बाकी तुम्हाला सगळ्या गोष्टी ऑटोमॅटिकली भेटत राहतील. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Thank you, sir, for your powerful and inspiring words.
Now, I would love to invite our exceptional alumni who would like to share their experiences, stories, or heartfelt words to kindly come forward and address the gathering. Anyone who is sitting in the gathering, please, if you feel like sharing few words, please be on stage.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गुड इव्हनिंग. तर आता काय झालं आहे, मी खालून आलो आहे. लोकांनी मला सांगूनच पाठवलं आहे काय असेल ते लवकर संपून ये. तर छान वाटलं. कॉलेज प्रत्येक वर्षी आम्हाला असं बोलवतं आणि वेगवेगळे इव्हेंट्स असे ऑर्गनाईज करतात आणि कॉलेजमध्ये खूप वेगवेगळे अल्युमिनाईज येतात प्रत्येक वर्षी. आता आम्हालाही माहीत नव्हतं 2014च्या बॅचचे वगैरे लोक आहेत. तर छान वाटलं. एक्सपिरियन्स छान येतात. प्रत्येक वेळी वेगवेगळे इव्हेंट्स घेत जावं असेच आणि आम्हाला बोलवत जावं असं. थँक्यू.
Thank you so much, sir. Anyone?
गानोत्सुकाय
department performing Hangama.
परफॉर्मन्स येणार आहेत. गौरव सोनवणे एक सॉन्ग प्रेझेंट करेल. त्यानंतर आमचा एक खूप छान असा डान्सर आहे अक्षय पवार म्हणून, तो तुमच्यासाठी एक लावणी करून दाखवणार आहे. तो प्लीज चेअर अप. थँक्यू.
अक्षय
ठीक.
एक सडन परफॉर्मन्स करतोय, आवाज थोडा मॅनेज करून घ्या. आणि हे माझ्या सगळ्या ॲल्युमिनाय मित्रांसाठी आहे आणि विशेषतः माझ्या सर्व लाडक्या शिक्षकांसाठी. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. अरे मेरी जीत तेरी हार मेरी हार, सुन ले मेरे यार. तेरा गम मेरी जान तेरी जान, ऐसा अपना प्यार. जान पे भी खेलेंगे, तेरे लिए ले लेंगे. जान पे भी खेलेंगे, तेरे लिए ले लेंगे. सबसे दुश्मनी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. थँक्यू.
हॅलो. प्लीज चेअर अप.
ज्वानी ऐन भरा मस्त अंगुरी रात.
Your life, I am singing song. Shoots, flowers. Why did Colaveri Why did Colaveri rhythm correct? Why did Colaveri maintain this? Why did Colaveri and if the moon color white background night color black. Why did Colaveri Why did Colaveri छोकरा जवाने हुआ छोकरा जवाने
अरे चूजा चूजू करता है गलियों और चुपारों में है कबाजी करता फिरे तू तो अपने यारों में
कहा कि कुछ नहीं सच बात जो बयां की पहाड़ है जवां की मर्दानगी मर्दानगी अब तू भी मान ले नैनों के जाम दे ओ जरे 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 जरे
So let's welcome Aditya and Somnath from CS performing Chale Chaiya.
तोवर जवळ करून बसत लाकडं बसलं तरी बसत नाही बघ हात लावला तुला तुला करून बसतो मला
हा लास्ट
कुछ माता बेटी